All right, if you've ever owned a reverse osmosis system, you know the struggle. The water tastes great, but it takes forever to fill a pot of water. Now, if you have a traditional system, you lose half the cabinet space to a giant tank. Well, Waterdrop claims to solve both of these problems with this. This is the Waterdrop X16. It is a tankless 1,600 gallons per day beast that promises to fill a cup of water in just 2 seconds. So today we're going to unbox it, see if the build quality matches the price tag, and then I'm going to show you exactly how to install it under the sink. So let's get into it. So getting into what comes in the box, we've got a wastewater tube. We've got our inlet water tube with a T so we can tie into the water line. We've got some locking clips to secure the tubes into place. This is going to be the saddle that is holding the drain tube, plenty of Teflon tape, and a layout to drill the hole. So getting into the main unit, this thing is surprisingly compact. Under the front panel, you'll see we have 3 filters. Now the initial stage for the water filtration is the F2 filter. Now this acts as a pre-treatment, primarily to reduce chlorine and other chemicals to protect the delicate RO membrane. So next we've got the F3 filter. Now this is the core of the RO system. This features an 18-layer reinforced membrane that will reduce up to 99% of contaminants. Now this is taking out fluoride, arsenic, lead, PFAS, and others, and it has a typical lifespan of about 24 months. So moving on to the final stage, the F1 filter uses PCC mineralization technology to add beneficial minerals and adjust the purified water's pH to an optimal 7.5, which is going to enhance the taste.
All right, for tools, we're going, oops, wrong drawer. We're going some crescent wrenches, 2 little guys, maybe a big guy for backup. And then we need a 1/4-inch drill bit. That guy right there. Boom. So this is our feed line. This is our T coming off the cold water line. Crank that valve open, bow, close it off. So we're gonna tap into the water line, shut it off, open the sink to relieve the pressure, and screw this on. So this is our code, we're gonna go ahead and pull it. Get you some. This one right here, we're gonna tap into that. All right, next we got the drain line. We're gonna be hooking that up to the pipe coming off of the garbage disposal. So that is going to stick in this saddle. We're gonna put this little foam piece on the saddle. And slide this in there like this. That is clean as a whistle. So we got all 3 lines hooked up. We got our drain, pure line, and our water line. So all the lines are good. Next we're gonna do power. The power adapter they send has 2 nice little brackets for screws so we can put it on the wall. So let's go ahead and do that now. All right, after everything is connected and set up, we've got power ran to the system. The first thing it's gonna do is a 35-minute flush. So we're gonna go ahead and let it flush out through the filters and get everything primed and set up and ready to go.
That's just about going to wrap things up. This is the Waterdrop X16 fully installed. The under the sink unit looking very aesthetic and clean. I love the look of it. The filter life indicators are very apparent, so you can tell when you need to get those replaced, which is convenient. The faucet itself is great, the premium feel, the quick feedback from the knob and the underglow. Very nice features. You also have the filter life right there on the top of the faucet when you turn it on. You got the UV indicator, so I mean, it has everything you could ask for. I really don't have any issues with it, and overall, very solid. It fills up cups, bottles, pots of water if you're boiling pasta really quickly. It just really does it all really well. The X16 is made for a bigger household now, so if you're looking to save some money, you can go ahead and do so with the X12. They've got a bunch of options to fit your specific needs.
So give the gift that keeps on giving. From now until December 1st, Waterdrop is giving up to $700 off. So check out the X16 and use my code down below to save an extra 5%. So Waterdrop does have some other options to help purify the water coming into your house. So if you want to check out the ways I plan to do that at my house and bump up the water quality, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out.